If your Minecraft server shows can't connect to the server and when you join failed to connect to the server, to fix this, go to your game panel, then go to your server. First of all, make sure your server is online. As you can see, this is marked as offline. To turn this on, just press this green button. As you can see, the server is marked as running. Now let me go to the server list and refresh. If your server is showing a ping, that means you have done the steps correctly. Now, even if you join the server, it might still show failed to verify username and failed to connect to the server. If it shows failed to verify username, then this is an easy fix. Go to your server panel, go to Files. In Files, go to server.properties. Over here, scroll down till you get online mode equals to true. So over here, just change this true to false and press save content. Now go to your terminal and restart your server. So now, after your server is started, go to your Minecraft server list, refresh it, and then join the server. As you can see, I've joined the server. And also, if your Minecraft server is on and you turn the online mode from true to false, but you're still not able to join your server, this is most likely a hosting problem. At this point, it's better to contact your hosting services, and to avoid these problems, you can buy your Minecraft server from AzelHost. AzelHost is a trusted Minecraft server hosting provider. The plans are very cheap. To buy the server, go to azelhost.in, go to hosting then Minecraft, and you can choose any plan you'd like to buy. The whole process is automated, and to manage your server, the details will be sent to your email. And if you want help setting up the server, just check out the pinned comment.